Hey guys, so we're back here up at the track. It's Saturday morning. It's Sunday morning. We got up here yesterday, dropped off the car, and just kind of went out for dinner, did our own thing. But the Miata is back up at the track. She's ready to go. Still has a scuff mark here, things like that, but the rear bumper has basically been fixed. Everything's good. Bumper fitment, good. This is back to normal, which is really nice. We have fixed the two front hubs and everything like that. Did an alignment, as you guys saw if you guys follow me on social media. And yeah, if you guys didn't know much about the Miata, this is a Miata. It's a NA with an NB motor, so it's got the generation up motor. Rods, pistons, headwork, ITBs, the whole 9 yards. Thing's actually pretty sweet. It's a tank on tracks, so we got the draggy lap with us today, so we'll get some lap times. First lap definitely just going to be a shakedown. Don't even know what's going to happen. And yeah, we'll film that. We'll basically do one lap, come in, and then we'll probably do some more laps, and then we'll just go from there. We'll see what happens. Hey guys, so we're had a little detour, went to go get in the car, ran out of gas, checked the oil, didn't have enough oil, went to go put my helmet on, Hans device wasn't working. So we have fixed all of our issues down at our local Canadian Tire here in Oliver. We now have a working Hans device. We now have oil to put in the car, and we put gas in it up at the track. I think we're good to go. So we're gonna head back at the track. That's what we're doing right now. We're gonna bolt everything up, get the cam going, and then let's see if this thing stays together in one piece for at least a lap before we really get her going, because I don't want to cook it into corner one and end up completely out for lunch in the sand barrier. But yeah, we're gonna drive up back to the track here from Canadian Tire, and then you'll see a video of us in the car, and we'll give you an update. Hey guys, we just finished doing some laps in the Miata here, kind of doing a shakedown on it. Car drove pretty good. Did get a little warm, started to sputter and stuff like that. With the ITBs, we do suffer with intake air temperatures. We've got this tube here that comes down, it fishes down here, and that's actually where that scoop goes. This is for the brakes, the other set of brakes, things like that. But I got some video footage, but the mount fell off the front windshield there. As soon as I got into like the staging, we were waiting for it to like be clear. I was explaining to the guy like, yeah, no, I just want some room, like I just want to shake down the car, like we just finished putting it back together, all this kind of stuff. So I had to sit there, and then the second I put it in first gear, and it like clunked down, like the phone mount just fell. So I left the recording. It's flopping around in my passenger seat, which is not really the best thing, but for the content we had to do it, right, Emily? Keep it filming. Camera's always rolling. But yeah, no, if you guys have never seen the inside of the car, this kind of looks like stock passenger seat, all that kind of stuff. The fun stuff's all up here. Oh, what shop in Richmond built this? There's a sticker on it. Maruha? No. Yeah, Maruha. Alright. Maruha motor. There's a bunch of Maruha parts on this thing. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's K2 Auto Works or something. I can't remember. It's Ocean. The guy who built this car's name is Ocean. He'll work at a shop over in Richmond. But no, it's pretty sweet in here. Full aftermarket dash, everything like that. This is kind of the cockpit. Only this has a Recaro pole position or whatever it's called, and the harness, so the passenger seat's kind of gotta hang on for dear life. Willwood big brakes up front, bunch of stickers, Willwood rear calipers. We are on the Nankang AR1s. They're actually half decent tire. What are these, 225 squared? Yeah, 225, 45, 17 squared. But yeah, we're gonna let the car cool down. I think bikes are out right now. Bikes are out right now. I actually don't hear any. Oh no, I hear one. But yeah, we're gonna let the car cool down, and then we're gonna remount this phone mount, and then we'll get some good footage for you guys. So let us deal with the phone mount, and then we'll go from there. Hey guys, so we're back here. Just up at the track, putting some gas in. Went out last session, got a solid, good 2 laps in. Got 2 laps in. Car had a lot of I don't want to say overheats. We deal with a lot of oil temp issues on this car. And it's got a little hot, started losing power up top. You can definitely feel it. This car definitely likes being ran in the mornings a lot more than the hot afternoon like today. So I've let it cool down. I'm gonna fill it up with some gas, go do a couple more laps, maybe with Emily, maybe without, I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of it for right now. It's lunchtime, so yeah, I'm gonna let the car go down, fill up with some gas, and then next clip you'll see is hopefully us out on the track, and you'll see that in a few seconds here, I bet. fuck, what the hell is that thing? Holy crap. Hey guys, so we just finished doing a session. Haven't been getting many good laps in today. Something's going on with the car. I don't know if it's too hot, or if it's leaning out. I got no diagnostic tools with me. This is on a standalone ECU on old firmware, bunch of stuff. Car is dealing with an overheating issue. No air in the system, no anything like that. It ran good the session before. The one we just did. It ran fine for like 5, 6, 7 laps. It was good. Came back in, let the car cool down, threw up the video camera again, and drove out, and the car wouldn't even do a lap. It's something finicky's going on. I don't know what it is. Don't really feel like fixing it. Gonna wake up tomorrow, be here. If it runs fine early in the morning, that kind of confirms my suspicion about it being a heating issue, like IAT, or just like leaning out because the air here isn't as dense as it is back home, and things like that. But that's what we're dealing with. I ran them with the headlights open, try to get some more airflow through the hood being closed right here, so that the ITBs can get some more air. But helped it quite a bit the session before the last one, but then the last one didn't help it at all. So it is what it is. Not much I can do. We're just gonna pack it up, hit the hotel, maybe I'll hop on the forums and stuff, see what's going on. But like my E-fan's hitting to try and help it. Doesn't really seem to do a lot. I do have a lot of like debris and things like that down in there and things like that, so I might try and clean those here, some other stuff. But I think we're gonna pack it up, call it a day, take down the campy cover, go for dinner and some drinks, and then we'll see what tomorrow brings. But I think that's it for today.